Everyone, today we're going to be learning how to use the multimeter to take the voltage of the batteries in the Meow. This is important because it ensures the longevity so you can maintain the health of them for the years to come for everyone else. So the V with the squiggly line, that is voltage AC, and you will only be using that if you're going to be putting the prongs into an outlet, because that is the only place where AC current runs, and no other place in the system is there AC current. The batteries are DC current, and so you have to be using the V with the solid line and dashed lines underneath. To double check, it'll say V DC. But today we will not be using this one because most often you will most likely not have access to it. We will be using this one instead. And to get proper measurements, you should be on the DCV 200 to get the voltage of the system. And to get the voltage of the entire system, you put negative to positive, positive to negative, and then you'll be getting the reading of the voltage of all the batteries combined together, because these batteries are in series. And in series, battery voltages add up, and each of these batteries are 12-volt batteries. And while just because it is not 48 volts, they should actually be higher than their 12-volt standard, because that means they're at a healthy place. This is described better inside the Meow O&M if you need more direction on what exactly that means. But it's also important to take the voltage of the batteries individually in order to assess the health of each one. Take the safeties off, and you put it on the prongs on the metal bolts. And then you will get the voltage of the battery. And it is at 12 volts, which means it is most not really charged, but for the most part charged. And that's all we have to learn today. Goodbye.